Alright, we're down here in the education building at Kings Gap State Park where they have two geothermal systems set up. This one here runs the classroom and some of the offices in the lobby area, while this one here runs the back offices and the lunchroom area for them. What we do here is a geothermal unit, for those who don't know, is a water loop that they use water for heating and cooling. This happens to be what they call a closed loop. Bringing groundwater in for the cooling, since it stays at a nice low temperature. Water is a constant temperature in the ground. And what we have here is basically, this looks like your ordinary in your house air handler for your air conditioning or your heat pump. With this one happens to have electric backup heat, and that's what this panel box is for, and we're going to go ahead and shut that down right now. And then we have our coils in here. And here we have our coils just like you would in your home or in any kind of business that you have. This, we will be cleaning this down here with once again a biodegradable cleaner. We're going to rinse it off, and we will also put in the drain pan, we will put a drain pan tablet. That way it keeps mold and mildew from growing in there as the water sits while it drains. And we do this down here every 6 months. And the reason for that is these are the filters from 6 months ago. There's dirt, debris from people walking in and out of the building, and to maintain these, to keep these running optimum for the best efficiency, you must change these filters. Some places we have to change them every 3 months instead of 6, just because of the amount of traffic in them. Doctors' offices, different places where people may frequent more. So these will be on our list. We'll change these as we PM this whole unit. We also check out the fans, the motors, the blower wheels, check the bearings and all that out on them. Once again, we will check the electrical, make sure it's working, check the safety switches to make sure if something happens it will shut the unit off. For example, these have drain pan switches. If the water in the drain pan gets too high, it will shut the unit off. That way it doesn't flood the basement, or if this happened to be in the ceiling over their offices, it wouldn't flood their offices out. Just another way we have to test this to make sure everything is good for the summer.
What's the benefit of a business having a geothermal system?
If they can get away with it, costs them less to operate in heating and cooling, and the energy savings, the geothermal unit will help pay for itself quickly.
Okay, thank you.